Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. This week we're talking about CMMC control IA.L1-3.5.1. Identify system users, processes acting on behalf of users, and devices. So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all of this CMMC, DFARS, and NIST SP 800-171 compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, well, I've got great news for you. You found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's jump into it. So, CMMC control IA.L2-3.5.1. Identify system users, processes acting on behalf of users, and devices. Now, this is an interesting control for a few reasons. First is that you would think that this is just something that is built into virtually any software system. But as it turns out, there are many instances where you may have a shared computer environment. Great examples may be labs, manufacturing production floors, and other open format offices. So because of that, NIST mandates that if the computer can access CUI, you must be able to individually identify who is using the machine somehow. This can definitely create some complicated scenarios, but the good news is we have been able to find solvency for every one of them. If you have a complicated work environment and need to meet this requirement, I'd like to invite you to give us a call and speak with one of our compliance experts who can help with the answer to your specific scenario. Again, it's not okay to just have open workstations that people work on. You have no idea who's really behind the keyboard. You have to solve for that with NIST. There are definitely ways to do it, and we can help. But for now, let's look and see what the assessors are looking for, and we'll throw some sample answers your way to make life a little easier. So, 3 assessment points they're looking for on this one. Number 1, determine if system users are identified. So, do you know who your users are? That one's pretty easy. System users are identified by privileged identity management and Active Directory. That's a great one. Again, can you use local user accounts? I don't see why not, as long as you've got a SIEM solution that can actually track that. Assessment point number 2, determine if processes acting on behalf of users are identified. Processes acting on behalf of users are identified via the SIEM solution. So again, we've already gone through in previous videos what the SIEM solution is. In case you're new to our channel, it's Security, Information, and Event Management. And if you don't know what that is, that might be a sign it's time to call us. All right, assessment point number 3, determine if devices accessing the system are actually identified. Devices identified via system logs sent to SIEM solution, Active Directory, IP address, and MAC address. So again, there's a lot of different ways to identify the device itself that's accessing it. Again, IP and MAC address are definitely there, and those things get logged in your SIEM and AD and all kinds of other places. So again, we want to make sure we can identify not just the people, but also the processes, and of course the devices as well. So at On-Call, if you're new to our videos, we help defense contractors just like you who have had this DFARS, NIST, ITAR, and CMMC compliance stuff dropped in their laps like a seal on a sunny day. We teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. If you're looking for more help getting compliant, our compliance experts are always on call for you. You can visit cmmccompliancesecrets.com or check out the bio below for links to get help right now. If you love the content we're putting out there for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, smash the subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliance nerds roll it out. Until next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there. Hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance, and I'll see you on the next one.